Welcome to today's specialty training. It is on the account exporter. This is the home screen, as many of you might be aware. This is the screen that you see when you first log into Simplicity. So from this screen, to get to the account exporter, we're going to go to Tools and Account Exporter. So from here, you can select a number of filter criteria depending on what you're wanting to do. The account exporter can be very useful when there's a report that you might need that we may not have stock in Simplicity. There is always the option for requesting custom reports to be built, but that does require paid custom work, and if you're looking for an alternative option to that, this is definitely a good choice. So in order to run what we might call a custom report, you can filter by collector, by client, by legal status, collection status. This is the same filter set that's available everywhere else in Simplicity. So in the bulk account manager, in any of your search tools, the same filter set is available. Okay, so as an example, we'll just select one of our clients here. And let's say that we wanted to run a filter for last updated. And last updated usually means that at least one note was added to the account. Okay. And we'll just select some of these here. We'll do account number. There is option to check all, but there are so many fields in Simplicity that can be exported. A lot of times it's good to just go through and just choose the ones that are pertinent to your specific report criteria. Okay, and we'll do client name as well. So as you can see, there's payment plan information. We also get a lot of questions about this information here. What this means is this: if you check this box, it'll show you the current balance due minus 15%. If you check this box here, it'll show you the 15% that was taken off. So that's what these options are used for. Okay. So we'll just select a couple of more of these fields here, make sure there's nothing else that we need, and we can export accounts. And we'll export to Microsoft Excel. All right, so what it's showing me is that there's no data in this particular filter criteria. So we'll just remove this filter here and click Export Account. Goodness, I'm just striking out here. Hang on one second. Let's try this. There we go. Okay, so what this is showing is all clients. Okay, so these are the filter criteria that we selected. These are the fields in Simplicity that we selected to export to our Excel spreadsheet. So we've got our account number, our client full name, our client short name, current balance due, current claim status, debtor first name, and debtor last name. So those are all of the fields that we selected. Internal case ID does export with every export. It is, as it says, just an internal case ID number. So this case number is the same one that you will use in your DocGen as well, but the field label for that is case number. So this is your account number that shows in Simplicity. Okay, you can also export notes or phone numbers on the selected account criteria. You can include or exclude all phone numbers, good phone numbers, bad phone numbers, or unknown phone numbers. Okay. When you have a specific report criteria, like the one that I just set, if you're needing to run this often, you can set configuration. So what you'll do is you will add this particular configuration. And then you can see that it appears in this drop down here. Any questions about the account exporter? All right, we'll allow just another minute or so to gather any questions if you have them, and then we'll end the training. We have a question. What do you use the debtor address field for? If you can chime in real quick and just ask that question. So the debtor address field, as far as marking it in our account elements here. Oh, I understand. Okay. So the debtor address here, you can run a report on all accounts with addresses or without addresses. So you have two options there. You can do it on either. You can do it with, or you can do it without. Same with debtor phones. You can do it with phone numbers or without, or all. All right, any other questions? All right, if there are no other questions, we'll go ahead and end the training today. You will be able to find a copy of this video training on our YouTube page. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.